Polly and Queenie go to a shopping mall, which consists of G over F, 1 over F, 2 over F, 3 over F, and 4 over F. So Polly and Queenie individually go to a floor at random. Find the probability of each of the following events. Now to find it out then here, for the following floors, is first we're going to identify the floors available. So we have the first one, we have ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, and fourth floor. So they're about to count it down then here for the following floors. So that would be, so we have ground floor. Next one we have first floor. Now let's write it down here. So second floor. Next one is third floor and fourth floor. Okay. So this gives us about the total of them here is, let's write it out then, is equals to 5. So there's about 5 of them. Now, total floor of 5. Now, to get out the total outcomes of the sample space, since we're going to have that one is 5 times 5 equals to 25. Now, the first question is, Polly is on the or third floor, but not pointed at. Now, to find it out here, let's try to write it down here. For A, is that Polly must be on exactly one specific floor. So we can write it down here as Polly. Polly is on one specific floor, or one SP, which one we have SP is specific floor, it's about 3F. Now, that's the first then. Now, the first option. Now, we can say that 20, 20, 20 can be on any of the other floor then. Because we can see right out 20 is except step 3F then. So that means the following choices for that would be for Queen we have G, F, now also with first floor and okay, first floor. Now second, oh yeah, it would be second floor and that's one would be the fourth floor. Okay, so that's the four options that we have then. Now, since let's go find out the favorable outcome. So since we have 1 and 4, we're going to multiply that one. So 1 times 4 is about 4 then. Now, let's go try out here for a probability in which the probability for that one is 4 out of 25. Now, in which 4 out of 25, then here, or 1 out of 5 then. Okay, so let's write that out here as 4 out of 25 then for our probability for A. Now, the second question states that Polly and Queenie are on the same floor. Okay, so let's go try to find it out then. Okay, so B is, so this one is Polly and Queenie are the same. So let's write that Polly and Queenie are on the same floor. Okay, so the same, when you say out the same floor, that means we have the total of five five possibilities. Now, possible floor floors. So we have about 5 possible floors. Or so since we have 4 possible floors for that one, we just write it out here for the probability would be 5 out of 25 or 1 out of 1 out of 5 then. Okay, so that's for the B then. Now for the C's question here, let's try to read out then. Queenie is on a higher floor than Polly. Now let's try to write it out here. Now for the C, Queenie is on the higher floor than Polly then. Okay, so C, move on then. So Queenie is on a okay higher floor than Polly. Okay, now to find it out here, let's go try to get out then. Now, out of the that would be out of 25 outcomes, the number of outcomes where they are they are on the same floor is 5, but from the part B, now let's look out here. That remains about since we have here in the between in the same floor, that's only 5. Now we just trying to use out the previous one on the same floor and subtracted to the 25. So same floor is 25. So same floor, let's write it out. Same floor is 5. That means if we minus that one to 25 minus 5, so that is 20. So that gives us about 20 would be in the same floor. Now, but but still, this would be divided into because we have still one for Queenie and one for Polly. So we're going to write it out here as 20 divided by 2. That's equals to 10. So the same floor would be in higher than Polly. That would be about 10 then. So we can write out here 10 for Queenie and 10 for Polly. So they can write out here as Queenie. Okay. Now, so we have 10 for that one. Now, let's write out for our probability. Would that be? That is equal to 10 over 25, in which we can divide out here by 5 in both sides. That's going to be 2 out of 5 then. So that would be the answer for this one.